Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be walking you through our newest feature, which is live scoring. This does come as a part of the BirdEase software, so it should already be available to you in your event management dashboard. So when viewing your website, we're going to want to click on Manage Event to bring us back into that dashboard, where you should now see a new tab that says Live Scoring. If you click on live scoring, you'll go ahead and see as many courses as you have broken out into their own live scoring sheets. For example, if you were playing on 2 courses, you would have come in here to the golfer assignment settings, added a new course, let's call it C2. So now when we pull up live scoring, you'll see 2 options there. When visiting your live scoring tab for the first time, you will see that your course or courses will be labeled as inactive. They will appear this way until you use the action button and click on Activate. Once active, you are ready to go to begin the setup process. The biggest piece to live scoring is definitely your golfer assignments builder, which is your tee sheet. So if you visit the golfer assignments dropdown and click on Builder, you will arrive here at your tee sheet builder. The most important thing when preparing to configure your live scoring feature is ensuring that your tee sheet looks correct. If you need to make any changes, you can absolutely do so by dragging and dropping golfers between tees or visiting their registration and manually assigning them there. Once you're happy with the way that your tee sheet looks, you can then begin configuring your live scoring feature. Visit the live scoring tab. Click the 3 dots on the far right-hand side to access your action items, and select Configure. This will allow you to move through the entire course, setting par and yardage for each tee. You can also set a sponsor for each tee, which will show up both on the leaderboard and on each golfer's phones as they keep their score. You can also leave notes for specific tees if you have particular contest holes or other points of interest. As you move through the holes, you can click Update and Next to easily set the par, yardage, sponsor, and any notes for each tee. Once you're ready, you can click Update and save your settings. Anytime you make an edit to your tee sheet, you'll want to be sure to click Rebuild. This tells your live scoring feature to talk back directly to your tee sheet to update starting assignments for each group of golfers. Once you're ready to do so, you can click on Send Live Scoring Text Messages to send each of your golfers a unique text message, allowing them to pull up the live scoring feature on their own phone to report their scores real-time to your leaderboard. Then you can click Copy Leaderboard URL to Clipboard and paste it in your browser to pull up your live scoring leaderboard. You can also use the Configure button to use the hyperlink to leaderboard here. Once you have your leaderboard pulled up, it will look something like this, with any assigned sponsors scrolling in the carousel across the top and team standings down below. This is a great resource to showcase on a TV screen or projector in the clubhouse, or perhaps on a computer that you have set out if you don't have a TV screen or a projector available to you. This leaderboard is constantly updating to report the most recent standings for your golfers. We have also updated our check-in page to work directly with our new live scoring feature. Now, as you are checking your golfers in, if you use the Action Items button next to a specific golfer's name, you will see an option to send live scoring link. This will allow you to send a link directly to that golfer's phone to keep their score throughout the tournament. If you find yourself in a situation where no golfer has provided a valid phone number, looking something like this, you can easily ask them for one as they check in with you. You can click on the Action Items button, select Edit Golfer, enter their preferred phone number in this field, click to update, and then follow up by sending them that live scoring link. Our live scoring feature was highly requested, and we hope that it improves the overall event management experience for you. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to a member of our support team. You can access help articles through our help center in the top right-hand corner using the question mark icon. You can search through articles in our help center by selecting Search for Help, or you can chat real-time with our support team using the Messages tab here. Thank you so much for watching, and happy fundraising!